Do you want to know how you can change your country or address on Remitly? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your country or address on Remitly. Go ahead and open Remitly, which is on your phone. After you open Remitly, you should click on Manage, which you can see on the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. After you do so, go to Profile. Then you can see Address. Go ahead and click Add. Now what you can do is write down the street address line. So let's suppose my street address line is Wallong. I'll go ahead and search it and you can see it will be shown. Go ahead and tap on it. Now what you need to do is write down your flat, unit or suite number. So you can write it down like this. After you write it down, you can see the suburb and the state has been automatically selected as you have selected your street address. So you must enter your postcode as well and click Save. After you do so, your address has been changed. Now to edit it again, go ahead and click Edit. And if you want to select some other results, you can see that you can change your country or your address like this. So after you select the street address line, you must write down your flat suite number as well and click Save. And this is how easily you can change your address or country on Remitly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.